Welcome back, everybody. Thank you for sticking around. I know that we've covered a lot of information and a lot of chapters, and we are almost finished in our series for Builder's Guide to Accounting. There's really only 2 chapters left. I think you're doing great, and you're almost there. You're almost ready to take the exam and become a contractor in the state of Florida. So let's get into it. Chapter 27. It starts on page, what is this? Page 307. So chapter 27 is yet another one of these chapters where there's not that much pertinent information for the exam, at least not in my opinion. But remember, like I've said before, anything that's in any of the books is fair game that they can, bring up on the exam. I don't think there's a lot of information in this chapter that's relevant, but nonetheless, just for general information, I think it's pretty useful, and it's a short chapter. So if you have to spend a couple of minutes reading it, which is really all it's going to take, it shouldn't be a big deal. All right. So chapter 27 is called Statements by Job. Financial statements by job provide you with a logical basis for analyzing and controlling your profit and loss. Look at profits by job, not just in total. Otherwise, low yield kinds of jobs remain hidden, and effectively control over individual jobs is impossible, right? A well-maintained, detailed record system is the foundation for accurate by-job statements. I think that makes a lot of sense. I'm not going to read everything that they have on this page, but it just kind of reiterates some of the information that they've covered in the previous chapters. By all means, spend a few minutes reading it. It's not going to hurt. I think what's really important is what's on this page. I think that's really the only thing that's important in this chapter. So plotting job progress. Visual presentations of data can be more revealing than lists of numbers. Okay, for some people, I guess. This is, I think, what we really need to target in this chapter. Most profits are produced in the middle part of the job. If the curve of the actual profit starts upwards too early in the job schedule, it indicates several possibilities, all right? You finish early, you make a higher overall job profit, need to reschedule labor and materials for earlier dates, need to examine the estimate to determine why you were off. But if the profit doesn't swing up soon enough or fast enough, it can mean that you will finish late, make lower overall job profit, need to delay scheduled labor, need to examine the estimate and total actual supervision of the job. They're talking about this particular graph. Like I said, I don't think they're going to bring this up on the exam, but this is definitely something good to look at least once, and it's definitely good as far as general information goes. And that's pretty much it. I don't think there's anything else in this chapter. No, there really is nothing else. On page 313, you've got some practice questions that you can do. As always, if you can bang these out quickly and without any problem, then you probably have a good grasp of the content in the chapter. And that's pretty much it for this chapter. It's a quick one. I appreciate you sticking around. If you've got any questions or comments, as always, definitely let me know. Otherwise, I will see you in the last chapter. Thank you.